This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about baking containers, specifically these great Taipei baking containers. They come in a couple of different sizes, and we have here the 7¼ inch by 4½ inch rectangle loaf pan, the 5½ by 3½ rectangle loaf pan, and then a fantastic little 2¾ inch square. They're all made from sustainable poplar wood, and they feature a lovely little grease-proof silicone paper liner that comes with each one, making these wooden molds that are compostable a fantastic eco-friendly option for baking. So whether you're baking loaf cakes, quick breads, or just a variety of other pastries, these are a fantastic option. They can withstand temperatures up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, making them ideal for a variety of different pastries. And they're safe for both the oven and also the microwave, meaning it's going to be easy for your guests to reheat things once they take their goodies home. They're an attractive disposable option for bakeries, and they actually are really helpful in that not only do they make a nice presentation for your guests, but they mean that you don't have to scrub your loaf pans, worry about unmolding things. They're going to be a great time saver for when you're baking, especially for getting things out of pans because you don't even have to worry about that, and also for cleanup. These are a nice, attractive, disposable option for bakeries that really reduce the amount of time you have to spend on things like unmolding loaf cakes or quick breads, and also cleanup. There's no pans to wash because these are going with your customers to their homes, and then they can simply toss them when they're done. They also have a nice space-saving feature in that you can see they have a nice little tapered design. So they actually fit down in each other, meaning you can just pop a stack next to yourself, and they've got a nice, convenient, small footprint for busy bakeries. These are perfect for cafes, pastry shops, coffee shops, bakeries, or even just use at home if you're into baking and love making quick breads and loaf cakes.